another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, actually, we've got an instant rice porridge from Pamana. Pamana? Arroz, Caldo. This is a rice porridge with chicken flavor. It's by a company that makes a lot of Filipino products, but they're based in the U.S. Got me? So, there you go. So let's add all the stuff to the cup. This is the rice porridge. Turn this down a little touch. Yeah, so basically you take rice, like, say like instant rice. Say it, just say instant rice. Say it with me. Instant rice. So like minute rice. Put it through a shredder. This is dehydrated chicken, by the way. And then, yeah. So you end up with more of a mush, a gruel, if you will, than individual rice. And then we have our seasoning. So what we do here is we put it all in, and then we add the liquid acid. And then we stir thoroughly. Stirring. Alright. And then it's going to chill out for 5 minutes. So we'll put that over here. Right, there we go. I'm thirsty. Are you thirsty? Yeah, let me see if I got a beverage. I had a beverage. Hey, I got a beverage. Ooh, ooh. And I'm going to need an egg for this one. Egg and pudding? No, it's porridge. What do you mean porridge? What's porridge? Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I don't think I've ever steered you wrong in the past, have I? Not at least not intentionally. This sick is crummy. I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Poor wife, she didn't sleep well. I don't know. I do better than most on low sleep, but I still feel crummy and run down. I'll probably, like, around 7 o'clock, I'll probably all of a sudden pass out on the couch and I'll go, whoa, what happened? Whoa. Kind of how it works. I made some crazy popcorn last night. I've got this McCormick Peruvian seasoning. I swear by this stuff. It's great. And then I've got this stuff called za'atar. It's got sumac in it. It's kind of more Middle Eastern. And then I've got bon chabe, level... It's either 15 or 30. It's a spicy Indonesian seasoning. So Indonesia, Peruvian style, and... Middle Eastern. And to top it all off, when I was like going tap 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 with the spicy stuff, it all went in. Like, I ended up with like 2 tablespoons of like really strong spicy bon chabe. And so it was like this really interesting flavor, but my mouth was just burning. And I did good, I ate it, but yeah, wow. I felt the burn, and my face paid for it. Yeah. How bad was this? The last one that I did, I ended up eating most of it. I might as well finish it, but... not that bad if it's really what it says. Looks like it'll be like half my calories for today. But that's okay. I'm sick. I've been trying to stick still with the 1,200 calories a day thing, but I figure if I do 1,500, that's reasonable. But yeah. Things have been good. I've been having a lot of time hanging out with my wife. A lot of fun. It's been really good. Yeah. I'm a happy guy. I'm a lucky guy. I'm happy and all is good, except we're sick right now and it's not much fun to be sick. But, you know. We do what we do and we do it and we do it well. And we do it wild. How does that song go? You know what I'm talking to, LL Cool J, doing it wild. Well, my wife originally represented Livermore, and I was straight out of Anacortes, so. Which are probably places you have no idea of, so you could just go like, wow, what are they talking, what, he, what, where, when, why? What do you do? I'm going with a straight white bowl today. Because sometimes just the boring white bowl is the perfect thing to showcase something else. Except it doesn't ever want to be dead center. I'm going to push it over here now that it's center-ish. Wow, it just freezes up. God, my monitor here, it's like so hard to tell. Arm up. Now the arms are up. Yeah, it's really slow. So I'm just gonna put it in and then sample it right out of the bowl. Think of that. And give it another few good turns of the spoon. And in the bowl it will go. Uh-oh, I am dripping. Yes, there are drips on the phone. Oh my. Oh, now shoot. Ow! I'm not doing well. Okay. Go. Did I get crap on my shirt? I really hope not. Anyways. Porridge thumb. Here's our porridge. Look at that. Porridge! Peas porridge hot. Peas porridge cold. Tastes like chicken. Tastes like little bits of rice, kind of. It's not bad. It's about exactly what I expected, but it actually tastes better than I expected. Come on, why don't you want to open? It's your job. Open up. There you go. Egg time. So these are marinated eggs. It didn't show on the packaging anything marinated, but I figure what the heck. I need to use them. To those who like to slice multiple eggs and put it on their noodle products, I really find that distressing. Just do one. You don't need to. Two eggs? That's overkill. I've seen people with 6 slices of egg from 3 eggs. That's like gluttony. Frown upon gluttony here at the Ramen Raider. Can't have Christmas every day, kids. If you do, it won't be so special, you know? There's some onion. My wife might want to sample this, so I think I'm going to leave it kind of at that. Maybe a touch of sesame seed. A pinch. Although the onion already probably put her off of it a little bit. She's not a fan of spring onion. Not in the unhealthy amounts that I enjoy. A little bit of and I will not add the spicy. She's been a really good sport though about trying stuff and being on the show. She's done 2 episodes. It's pretty good. There you go. Watch it do. Alright, well that's it for me for today. 2 episodes. Wow. I've been just doing 1 a day for a while now, and it's kind of nice doing getting a couple out of the way. Big thanks to James from Lakeside, California for sending this one over. He sent this and a few other varieties, including ones that were like mung bean congee with coconut milk. There's a corn-based one with coconut milk. There's a chocolate one. There's an ube pickled plum flavored one. So those will be coming probably pretty quickly. Yep. Anyways, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your congee, porridge, what have you, each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. It helps other people see what we're doing here. And consider getting a membership. You'll be glad you did. Have a good one, and bye-bye.